In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to get your WhatsApp link so you can share it with friends, family, or even on social media. This method works the same on both iPhone and Android, and I'll walk you through the steps. So the first step is to generate your WhatsApp link. So WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in option to copy your direct link, but we can easily create one ourselves, and here is how. So go to your browser on your phone or on your computer and type in the following link. So it is https, and then we want to put in wa.me/, then your full phone number, including your country code, but don't include any symbols like plus or spaces. So, for example, if your number was +44, you're taking out the plus, you're not putting that in, and we'll just put in a random number here. So that would be your link. So now what you would need to do is, once you have your link, you would want to copy that. So I'm just going to make sure that I've got all of that selected, and I would copy that. Then you would share it anywhere you wanted. So Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, or whatever. So I'm just going to show you what that would look like. So I'm going to send that and hit the send button. And then that would basically allow people to have your WhatsApp link.